Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make cooked apples. First, choose firm, tart apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for the best results. Next, prepare your apples by peeling, coring, and slicing them into uniform pieces, about 1/2 inch thick. Then, combine them with a few simple ingredients and cook gently on the stovetop until tender. Finally, enjoy your delicious homemade cooked apples. Choosing the right apple is key for delicious cooked apples. Opt for varieties that hold their shape well and offer a nice tartness, such as Granny Smith or Honeycrisp. Once selected, thoroughly wash your apples. Then, peel them, remove the core, and slice them into uniform pieces. Slices about 1/2 inch thick cook evenly and maintain a pleasant texture. Now, let's cook those apples. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add your sliced apples, along with 1/4 cup of water or apple juice, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir everything together. Cover and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the apples are tender but not mushy. Your freshly cooked apples are ready to enjoy. These warm, tender apples are incredibly versatile. Serve them simply on their own as a comforting treat, or pair them as a delightful side dish with roasted pork or chicken. For an extra touch, sprinkle with a pinch of nutmeg or a dollop of whipped cream. They also make a fantastic topping for breakfast foods like oatmeal or pancakes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.